Today on Southern Accent Foods, I'll show you an easy recipe for a great yellow squash casserole. This will help you make the most of your summer veggies, and it's a great side dish for any meal. Start with about 3 pounds of yellow squash, sliced 1/4 inch thick. You can use a mandolin if you have one, or if you're incredibly skilled like me, you can just use a knife. Just do whatever works for you. You'll also need to dice up a medium onion. Get everything into a saute pan with some butter over medium heat. Season with salt, pepper, and optionally your favorite Cajun or Creole seasoning. I didn't forget the onions, I just added them in with the last batch. The object here isn't really to cook the squash all the way through. We're just trying to sweat it a little bit and make it release some of its liquid so the casserole won't be watery. Give it about 6 or 7 minutes, add some sliced garlic, and let it go for 1 more minute. Important step here. Get everything into a colander or strainer and let it drain for a few minutes while you do the next steps. This is the sauce or the filling. You have 2 eggs, 4 ounces or 1 cup of grated cheddar cheese, 8 ounces of sour cream, and 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. Stir everything together to combine. Add in your cooked squash and stir it all up to coat. Now we'll make the topping. You need 1 sleeve of the round buttery crackers. Put them into a zip bag and crush them to your preference for texture. You can get them all the way to fine crumbs if you want, but I like them to be a little more coarsely crushed. It's up to you. Add in 1/4 cup or about 1 ounce of grated Parmesan cheese and 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Stir everything together to combine. Get the squash mixture into a baking dish and smooth everything out. Sprinkle the topping over the casserole and get it into the center of a 350-degree Fahrenheit oven. That's about 180 degrees Celsius. Bake for about 20 to 25 minutes or until the top goes brown and crispy. And here is your lovely squash casserole. This is a staple all the way from summer to Thanksgiving. You can definitely add in some sliced zucchini as well. Use up those summer squash and get this on the table. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Click that like button and watch another one of my videos here.